This is sorry I cannot do the one video, but this is how to get this trail, the brick trail. It's kind of a hard one. I already skipped the whole part so you can do it. I cannot make a video so long, so I skipped a half of it. So let's do this. Maybe I will make a part 2 of how to get this. But we have to collect this instead of the ending. I already equipped it, so I'm not lying. So we have the enough money. Boom. We have to get all of this all the way to the end here. Let's now get it. I already got the badge. I'm just showing you guys. We can now buy it, I think, yes. Oh, damn. I think it only now spawns yellow because it's now yellow, see? Next is gonna be only diamond. It's 100,000, I think, but I don't have enough money yet. Here you go. There you go. There. I cannot speed up. I don't know why. But I can just get some frames for a little bit, so it cannot be long. But I don't want to, so you can see the progress. Three, two, one. Geometry there. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun. Okay, we'll buy this. Next one is diamond onlys now. We need... No way. We need 1 million. No. Wait, that's too insane. Lag. Let's go. Let's just I cannot get it. Okay, should I end the video or I will collect this again? Because this is the thing how to get the trial. Should I do it? Okay, fine, let's do it. Whoa. Whoa. You're only at 70,000. Okay, it's already at the million, right? Million milestone. Keep collecting money until you have enough, I think. This I will make the video later. But I must change the title screen. I guess because the title screens of my videos look worse after now. But we didn't unlock it yet, right? It's still a few more blocks and that's all we wait. See, you obtained the special trial. This is the special trial. The brick. So that's today's video. So I can now die, sacrifice, and with that, my trial disappeared. Wait, I already remember this. I'm in Rebirth 1. Let's see if I can remember this. Bro, I still remember it. No way. Okay, let's end this. So, wait. What? Leaderboard. Wait, where's the emote? Okay, I was trying to say bye, but they removed the emote, so just bye.